Look over here. Hi, Hamlet. Okay, first it's a pear. You like pears, Hamlet? Yeah, they're okay, Mom. There's okay.
Now we're gonna try.
Now we'll give a banana. See, what happens when you get a banana? Oh, I think I like bananas. Yeah. I'll come all the way up there for a banana, Steph.
Ouch. I had to find a banana. I have to have. Oh!
You get down from the cupboard.
Are you sure you want to paint the cupboards? That's it.
You're not going to make them dance?
Oh. Good boy. Want to dance again? Want to come up?
I'm not against the cupboard, Stephanie.
I'm trying. Oh, you found that one.
More out here. Bring it out here.
Come here. Come here. You full? Uh-huh. Thank you. You do one more? Last one, I promise. Thank you. Oh boy. Here's all I know. You didn't get to eat all of your banana. Shall I let me